You might think that lens replacement brands like Revant optics and Fuse lenses seem the same on paper, and there are similarities, but there are also a few big differences between the brands that could make you choose one over the other. So stay tuned, because in today's video, you'll learn how Revant and Fuse compare in areas like lens quality, options, variety, price, and warranties, so you can decide which brand is better for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alana, and this is the destination on YouTube for all things optical, sunglasses, and lens technology. You might be thinking, hey, but this girl's from Fuse. Of course you know who we'd love for you to go with, but there are things Revant has that might make you want to choose them over us. So I'm gonna present you with the facts and only the facts. Let's dive into it. The first point of comparison between Fuse lenses and Revant optics is lens quality. Both brands make lenses from optical grade shatter-resistant polycarbonate. They also both pass the American National Standards Institute's, or ANSI's, highest eyewear performance test for impact resistance, UV protection, and light transmittance with flying colors. Get it? And at Fuse Lenses, we create, test, and custom cut each pair of lenses in our on-site lab to your specific frames. We're two of the top names if you're looking for replacement sunglass lenses, so if you get Revant's Elite lenses or our Pro lenses, you're getting something that's even better than most brand name lenses. But there are some differences when it comes to lens options and pricing. Fuse and Revant both have high quality polarized, non-polarized, blue light, photochromic, prescription, anti-reflective, and mirror lens options, and both brands' replacement lenses start at just $24.99. One of the biggest differences is that Fuse has color-enhancing lenses, which Revant doesn't offer. Fuse is actually the only lens replacement company that makes color-enhancing lenses, which are designed with AI technology to make colors pop, increase contrast and clarity, and improve the overall visual experience. They're especially great at defining contours, which make them helpful for outdoor activities like fishing, golf, and hunting, where small details are important. Even though we just released this line of lenses last year, they're already our best sellers. Check out our video, What Are Color Enhancing Lenses?, to learn more about our Fuse AMP lenses and how they work. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our future videos. I mentioned that Fuse and Revant both offer prescription replacement lenses, but there are a couple differences between them. Revant can make lenses up to a +or- for prescription in their standard polycarbonate lenses. At Fuse, we regularly work with +or- prescriptions and have even made a pair with -11. So if you wear high script glasses, Fuse is probably the best option for you. Check out our video buying high index prescription glasses online in the description to learn more about how Fuse works. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful so far. Revant's prescription lens prices start a little lower than Fuse at $75 for standard single vision lenses, and they cost $150 extra for progressive lenses. Fuse scripts start slightly higher at $79.99, but only cost an additional $75 for progressive lenses. Revant also charges more for lenses in your sporty wrap frames, where Fuse does not. Revant also offers something called premium prescription lenses. More generically known as high-definition glasses, Revant's premium line is a thinner and lighter lens with a wider, more precise field of view. For single vision, they're $50 extra, and for progressive, it's $200 extra. At Fuse, we call this digital processing, and it's included in every progressive prescription lens. We don't charge extra for it. Both brands give you the option to upgrade RX lenses to a clearer, lighter weight Trifix material for $50, and a high index 1.67 lens material, which is designed for high prescriptions. High index at Revant is an additional $75 available for scripts above +or- 3. At Fuse, it's an extra $100, but our lab specializes in high script lenses, so we'll work with you to get the best lenses possible for your high script. That's it for options and pricing. Now let's get into variety and selection. Fuse and Revant both make replacement lenses for a huge selection and variety of brands and frame models. Revant has 20 different lens tint and color options that are pretty comparable to ours. Fuse has 24, which includes our AMP color enhancing lens options. At the time of this video, Revant offers just under 1,800 different lens models across 37 brands. Pretty impressive. But Fuse has a wider range with over 4,000 models across 75 plus brands and counting. Who doesn't love more options? What also sets Fuse apart is that if you don't see your brand or model on our site, All you have to do is send us your frames through our custom concierge service and we'll custom cut your lenses for any brand of sunglasses. Our video, How Fused Lenses Works, is a great resource for more info on the process. You can also send us your shades through our concierge service if you just don't feel like installing your lenses at home, and we'll handle installation for you. Revant also has a similar installation service, but right now they don't have the option to custom cut models that aren't listed on their site. But something that Revant does have is the ability to work with one-piece lenses. So if you have shield sunglasses, we recommend using Revant because while we're still hoping in the future, Fuse doesn't currently offer any one-piece style lenses. Now on to shipping. Both Revant and Fuse use USPS for standard shipping, with the option to upgrade to FedEx. Even though Fuse takes a small L in this category, it really depends on what you need. While we both offer FedEx 2-day shipping right now, Revant offers overnight shipping. So you might get your lenses a little quicker from them. Every pair of Fuse lenses are actually custom cut to your order for your frames, which reduces waste in the production stream, but can add processing time, meaning they might take a little bit longer to get to your door. But if you do upgrade your shipping with us, you also get priority processing through our lab. Most priority orders leave our lab the next day. Location is important too. Both brands ship from the US, so no need to wait for international shipping. We're based in Florida, so your lenses may get to you sooner if you live in the eastern or southern US than they would if you ordered from Revant, who is based in the Pacific Northwest. Okay, almost the end of the comparison list. Guarantees and warranties at Revant and Fuse are pretty similar. We both have 60-day money-back guarantees and offer 1-year warranties, and have awesome US-based customer service teams to help you out with warranty and returns. The main difference is that Revant's warranties are conditional, because they only protect against manufacturing defects. Fuse's warranty has a no questions asked policy, so no matter your reason, your warranty stands. The Fuse 1-year warranty is for standard tier lenses, but our sunglasses, amp color enhancing lenses, and anything in the Fuse Pro line have a lifetime one-time replacement guarantee. Now that you know how Fuse and Revant stack up, you might have a better idea which brand can better suit your needs. If it's Revant, totally cool. But if it's Fuse, we're happy to get you started on customizing your very own lenses. All you have to do is head over to fuselenses.com/YouTube, where you can create your own pair of stylish, personalized, affordable, and high-quality lenses. Plus, and the final difference between us and Revant is that we offer our own selection of glasses and sunglasses frames that can include any and all of the customizations I've talked about today. If this video helped you decide whether Revant or Fuse is better for your needs, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos on vision, sun protection, and all things sunglasses. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.